Have you ever finished watching a video and instantly think, wait, I need to work with this guy right now? That reaction isn't an accident. The top 1% personal brands and creators wave 4 specific elements into their content which turn their everyday viewer into active buyer. In this video, I am breaking down the exact formula and I will explain that why simply teaching your audience keeping you broke and viewsless. And I will show you that how you can convert your passive viewers into active buyers ethically. I call this system the buyer attraction metric. It consists of 4 specific elements, and when you apply all 4 into a single video, you turn your viewer into a buyer. Pillar 1, recognition. Let's start with Pillar 1, which instantly turn your skeptical scroll buyers into hot listeners. Have you ever dropped a video with a full of insanely good value just to be get it flaw? And you will wonder, wait, the video was so good, the information was gold, why nobody watches that? Here's the harsh reality. The raw information alone doesn't scale or make a channel. When people watch a video, their subconscious is constantly asking, okay, but what if it doesn't apply to my current situation? What if I am just wasting my time? So they keep asking this exact question, that is this information is relevant to me or not? Teaching alone fails because you haven't validated that your teaching and your information is relevant to them. You have to make them feel seen first. Look at how Gary Vee executes this.
How many of you tried a little bit and didn't get the results you were looking for? Let's raise your hands. If your content is completely selfish and it's only about like, hey, this is what I do and I'd like you to give me money, you're not mad at it. You're mad at it's gonna take your money.
In this single video, Gary precisely shows the friction and struggle his audience faces every single day. He calls out their doubts, fears, and deep frustrations. When he's saying that most of you will going to upload a video and will get 14 views, you feel that, at least I am, because most of us are feeling that exact same situation. This is recognition. To use it, simply map out your audience bad habits and silent struggles and then articulate them through your content. Show them that you understand their exact struggle, and once the viewer realizes that you understand their exact situation, then just game over. The audience just get lumped in. Pillar 2, credibility. Now, even if people listen to you, they don't automatically trust your advice. That brings us to pillar number 2, credibility. This is what shut down completely the negative opinions and comments. Leela Hormozi is the master at this. Look how she built her authority throughout the videos.
The first limiting belief or system of beliefs that is keeping you poor is what I call the money script. The next limiting belief keeping you poor is what we call a wealth ceiling. I paid $3 million to learn this lesson. There's research by financial psychologists. The research on this is very clear. When I had $100 million net worth, I didn't even want to spend over a couple $1 million on it.
Look at what Leela did there. She labeled her concepts as money scripts and wealth ceiling. She cited psychological research over 6 times. She dropped 10 plus personal stories to proving that she have already conquered the problem that his audience and her audience is facing. But most of you are wondering that, okay, but she have $100 million authority. I don't have anything. So our next part is how to build authority without having $100 million net worth. Let's say you don't have a 9-figure business or a $100 million deal or millions of dollars of net worth for credibility. So for that, here are 3 steps. First, pack it with the evidence. Cite a study or reference a case study or display any proof on screen. Second, share personal stories. Show that you have personally faced and, more importantly, solved the issue. It could be overcoming lost weight or making millions of dollars through your business or having a bad relationship and fixing that. It can be anything. Third, name your framework. Give your process a distinct name. Like Leela uses money script, and right now we are using the buyer attraction matrix. Naming your method turns the generic advice into your proper system and it boosts your credibility. Pillar 3, transformation. The next pillar is where most of the creators get separated from businesses. It's called transformation. Think about it. Most people launch a service or product thinking that it's brilliant, but nobody buys it. Why? Because nobody needs that solution. Like most people think that they need better marketing or bigger audience to sell their product or service, which is usually not the case. Let me give you an example. Imagine a personal trainer. Let's say he tries to sell a 12-week meal prep for maybe let's say founders or anybody. So it tries to sell for months, but nobody buys it. And then he shifted to a simpler system. What is this? That is just a 15-minute a day meal prep or done for you system for your diet tracking, something like that. And the sales just boom, even at the 5x, 10x prices. But why in the first case it wasn't selling? Because there was a lot of friction and hard work for the client. Like nobody want to spend 2 hours a day calculating that how much protein I take or filling spreadsheets. Nobody want that. That is the truth. So you understand that? So the real problem was never about needing more marketing or audience. It was about that it was selling a solution that nobody want because it was giving more friction and more hard work. The moment trainers start to sell the done for you services which reduce friction and reduce hard work, the sales just boom. That is what is transformation is all about. You need to make a viewer think that the problem they think isn't the actual problem at all. When they finish watching your video, they should watch the entire their current situation with a completely different lens. Here's how Tony Robbins doing this exact thing in an interview with Alec Termoki.
Take the astronauts. I got to interview several of them, right? And they make it back and survive. They splash down. They have a ticker tape parade. They shake the president's hand. Now, what the do you do after you've walked on the moon for adventure? I guess like you're 35 and you walked on the moon. What do you do?
Instead of telling Alex achievement won't fulfill you, Tony told a simple story which let viewer and Alex decide the real answer and the truth on their own. To pull this off in your content, ask your audience what are the current problem are they facing. Look at what they think their actual problem is, then find the underlying issue, that what is actually the problem, and show them through a narrative or a story so they can judge and identify on their own. Pillar 4. Actionable steps and reciprocity. Have you ever watched a video and felt super excited and like, wow, this was brilliant, only to realize that just 5 minutes later, you do not know what the hell was that? I do not know anything that how can I apply that? That confusion is exactly what kills trust, and if a viewer is confused, it will never gonna buy, never ever. If he walks away confused. Take a look at how Ali Abdaal avoided this trap in his video about finding a niche. Most creators make videos on finding a niche and give generic advice like follow your passion, do what you love, and all of those BS advice. But Ali actually break it down into a step-by-step framework which viewer can pause the video and understand and apply it to their exact situation, which instantly boosts his credibility plus give viewer a very actionable step. So there is no confusion left, which instantly increases trust and people are more willing to buy his product through that video. When you give your audience clear simple steps, something powerful happen. First, you make topic relevant, recognition. Second, you establish authority, credibility. Third, you shift their mindset, transformation. Fourth, you give them a clear roadmap, which is actionable steps. When a viewer take any advice from you and apply it to an exact situation and see a win or a better result, then it instantly creates a psychological effect which is called reciprocity. Reciprocity simply means, let's say you give someone massive value and totally free without asking anything in return. And if that person applies that and sees a better result, then it creates a feeling, a psychological feeling that I owe this person, and they naturally want to support you and help you up. This happens all the time in business. People just buy your paid courses and consultation calls and all of those things just because to help you more and support you. They don't even need that more info because your free value, free videos, free content has delivered so much massive value. They just feel, man, I owe this person. That is the feeling in their mind. You are not trying to manipulate anyone. You are just trying to be helpful and honestly and genuinely helping people. And when you genuinely do that, you never have to push hard to sell. Like people just start buying themselves without even ask for them to buy. So finally, I want to say that following the buyer attraction matrix system will turn your viewer into active buyers and high paying clients. But it only works if you consistently apply that and give real value. Then the value should be good, free, and it genuinely helps people. If you want to build your online presence on YouTube for your business, feel free to book a call with me. Link in the description. I will help you out with the thumbnails, titles, and editing with the whole packaging. So it will be done for your service. So link in the description. Please check that out, and I see you next video. Bye bye.